Sino na maliit ng player? Our Father, who art in heaven, every name thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and give us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. The Father, Son, and Spirit, Amen. So good morning, class. Sino absent today? Okay, no. So very good, I know. Absent. So ano ang discussion? Ano ang discussion next meeting? Oh, I don't. Okay, very good. So, ating discussion next meeting. So, sino makabigay ng ano ang ating So, natindihan niyo talaga ang discussion sa next meeting. So, before tayo mag-atong sa discussion, may tayo activity. So, activity natin ay may binigay ako ng sa'yo na kita. So, may number din. So, liwanag ko sino ang makatapos na answer dyan. So, makatapos yung answer, i-check na answer. Ang iwasto natin yung alisin nyo. So, natapos na ang ating mawasto yung sagot. So, ang ay group 1. So, wala pa. So, ngayon ay pupunta naman tayo sa ating classroom. So, classroom na ito ay sundin mo ngayon sa ating klase. So, ang pinakauna natin ng classroom ay listen carefully. So, ang listen carefully natin ay ito ay silent ang ayusin kaklase ay para hindi tayo sa atin follow direction. So, follow ta sa ating direction kung anong direction sa ating teacher ay susundin nyo. So, raise your hand if your answer. So, kung sino gusto ng answer, itaas lang ang kamay. So, follow timeless and respect your others. So ang answer nyo, yung klase yung kaklase. So, respeto. Kung hindi yun tama ang answer niya, huwag nyo patawanan. So, ito ang ating classroom. Ito ating susundin ngayon. So, bago tayo ang ating susundin ngayon, ang ating at the end, the lesson must be able to ang and the dispute in person, this and right in the word program. So, ang B naman use person, this and right to understand the daily life experience. So, and numbers and ang C naman solve for person, bis and red. So, ito naman ating discuss today. So ang ating discussion na yan ay rent, base, and percent. So, Unahin natin ang range. It is repetition of number. To be to 100 is present. Is present to present. It always has the sign the present to the sign. Ito ang when, ito ang sign sa when. So, ang base naman ay present is would it the total numbers that the person to take in always formed after the word of the symbol for the base is B. So, money ang B. So, ang present naman, so, it as a part of the symbol. The parts the number take it is the formed after the word it the